Hi, I'm letter A. My sound is A. A. Say A. Meet my friends. Apple. Apple. A. Apple. The initial sound of apple is A. Look. There are 3 colors of apples. What is it? Ant. 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 A. Ant. Say A. Ant. It's an aeroplane. Aeroplane. A. Aeroplane. A. Aeroplane. Now let's learn the formation of letter A. This is letter A. It sounds A. Let's learn its formation. You will start from the dot, go around, move up, come down, and make a tail. It's letter A. Look at the picture. Say apple, apple. Ant, aeroplane. The initial sound of apple, ant, and aeroplane is A. Say A.
Like, share and subscribe this channel for getting more educational videos.